Welcome back to Max Dhoni. In this video, I am going to solve some problems related to Cauchy's integral formula. First question, integral over C, 3z, maybe it is plus 5, 3z plus 5 divided by z square plus 2z, dz, where C is the circle, mod z equal to 1. So the function is 3z plus 5 divided by z square plus 2z. We can return this as 3z plus 5 divided by z into z plus 2. And here z equal to 0 and z equal to minus 2 are singular points. Since the denominator is 0, the function does not define for the points z equal to 0 and z equal to minus 2. But the region given is mod z equal to 1. That means unit circle. This is plus 1, this is minus 1, and this is plus I and this is minus I. And the region is mod z equal to 1. Z equal to 0 already is inside the circle or the region. Z equal to 0 is inside the circle, but z equal to minus 2 is outside. So z equal to minus 2 is not a singular point according to this function inside this region. So z equal to minus 2 is outside the region. So z equal to 0 is the only singular point of this function. So we can write it as integral over C, closed integral over C, 3z plus 5 divided by z plus 2 as our f of z and divided by z dz. dz. That means f of z is 3z plus 5 divided by z plus 2. What is Cauchy's integral formula? Cauchy's integral formula is integral closed integral over C f of z divided by z minus a. A is a point inside C, dz equal to 2 pi I into f of a. And in general, integral over C f of z minus a all raised to n plus 1. If there is a power for z minus a, then is an integer, positive integer. Then this is equal to 2 pi I into fn of a by n factorial, where fn is the nth derivative of f of z at the point a. So this is equal to 2 pi I into fn of a by n factorial. A is inside the closed curve C. Then what is the integral? Integral over C. Here C is the mod z equal to 1 and our f of z is 3z plus 5 divided by z plus 2 and all divided by z. Z means z minus 0. dz equal to, which is equal to 2 pi I into f of 0. That is 2 pi I into f of 0. This is f of z. Substitute z equal to 0. What we get? 5 by 2. 2 cancel. We get the answer 5 pi I. 5 pi I is the answer if it is 3z plus 5. The solution, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. Let's go to the second question. Closed integral over C, z square plus 1 divided by z into 2z plus 1 dz, where C is the unit circle. Now second question. Second question is z square plus 1 z into 2z plus 1. We can write it as z square plus 1. Let's take 2 outside and we get z plus 1 by 2. Now we can write it as z square plus 1 into 1 by 2 divided by z into z plus 1 by 2. Let's partial fraction. Z into z plus 1 by 2 equal to a by z plus b by z plus 1 by 2. Now cross multiplying a into z plus 1 by 2 plus b into z, here 1 divided by z into z plus 2 cancel. So substitute z is equal to 0. What we get? 1 is equal to a into 1 by 2. That is a is equal to 2. And substitute z is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 is equal to b into minus 1 by 2. That means b is equal to minus 2. So a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2 means z square plus 1. 1 by 2 into z square plus 1 divided by z into z plus 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2 into z square plus 1 into 2 by z plus minus 2 by z plus 1 by 2. What is the integration? Integral closed integral over c 1 by 2 into z square plus 1 divided by z into z plus 1 by 2 dz equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 cancelled. So, integral over c z square plus 1 by z dz plus integral over c z square plus 1, there is a minus outside, z plus 1 by 2 dz. And what is this integration according to Cauchy's integral formula? Using Cauchy's integral formula, this is 2 pi I into, this is z minus 0, 2 pi I into f of 0 plus next one 2 pi I into f of minus 1 by 2. This is z minus minus 1 by 2. So this is f of minus 1 by 2. Now what we get? 2 pi I, f of 0 is 1. For this function, f of 0 is 1. And here 2 pi I into f of minus 1 by 2. There is already a minus outside. Minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. Now what we get? 2 pi I is common. 1 minus 5 by 4. That is 2 pi I into minus 1 by 4. 2, 4 cancel. That is minus pi I divided by 2. We got minus pi I divided by 2. Third question is integral over c sin pi z plus cos pi z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2 where mod z is equal to 4. Circle of radius 4. Here for this function z equal to 1 and z equal to 2 are singular points and this is the region mod z equal to 4 means plus 4 minus 4. 2 and 1 are inside the region. 1 and 2 inside the region. So this is the singular points. So let's partial fraction 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2 which is equal to 1 a into z minus 2 plus b z minus 1. Substituting z equal to 1, we get 1 equal to minus a, that is a equal to minus 1. And substituting z is equal to 2, 1 is equal to b into 1. So b is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. Integral over c sin pi z plus cos pi z into minus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2 dz. And using Cauchy's formula, Cauchy's integral formula, first consider minus 1 by z minus 1 into this function. And this is equal to 2 pi I into f of 1 plus second one is equal to 2 pi I into f of 2. So 2 pi I f of 1. Already there is a minus 1, minus f of 1. sin pi into 1, that is sin pi plus cos pi plus 2 pi I is common plus f of 2. F of 2 is sin 2 pi plus cos 2 pi. So 2 pi I, sin pi is 0. Also sin 2 pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1 and cos 2 pi is 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 plus 1. So which is equal to 2 pi I into 2, that is 4 pi I. This is the answer of third question.